Welcome back to Car Updater. Today, we have some thrilling news for military history enthusiasts and collectors alike. The iconic Panzer III tank is making a comeback in 2025. This development offers a unique opportunity to own a piece of World War II history, meticulously recreated for the modern era. The original Panzerkampfwagen III, commonly known as the Panzer III, was a medium tank developed by Germany in the 1930s. It played a significant role during World War II, serving as the backbone of the German armored forces in the early years of the conflict. Designed to engage other armored vehicles, the Panzer III was integral to Germany's blitzkrieg tactics, providing both firepower and mobility. In 2025, enthusiasts have the chance to acquire high-quality replicas of the Panzer III. These reproductions are crafted with attention to historical accuracy, ensuring that each detail mirrors the original design. One notable offering is a replica based on the BMP-1 chassis, providing a functional and authentic experience for collectors. This model is currently available for purchase at a price of $80,867. For those interested in scale models, Henglong offers a 1/16 scale Panzer III AZ-F LRC tank. This remote-controlled model features a 360-degree rotating turret and realistic sound effects, providing an immersive experience for hobbyists. Priced at $240.90, it's an accessible way to own a piece of history in miniature form. The Panzer III's resurgence isn't limited to private collectors. Museums and historical institutions are also showcasing these tanks. The Tank Museum, for instance, features a Panzer III that saw action in North Africa and is believed to have been captured at the Battle of Alam Halfa. Visitors can witness this piece of history firsthand, gaining insight into its design and battlefield role. For model builders, Academy offers a 1/35 scale Panzer III AZ-F L Battle of Kursk kit. This kit allows enthusiasts to recreate the tank as it appeared during one of the most significant battles of World War II. With detailed parts and historical accuracy, it's a valuable addition to any modeler's collection. The Panzer III's design evolved throughout its production, with various models featuring different specifications. For example, the AZ-F E variant marked a significant simplification in design, particularly in its suspension system, making it more reliable in combat situations. In the realm of digital modeling, platforms like Simpleplanes have users creating replicas of the Panzer III AZ-F E. These digital models allow enthusiasts to explore the tank's design and functionality in a virtual environment, offering a unique perspective on its engineering. For those interested in owning a functional replica, it's essential to consider the legal and logistical aspects. Purchasing a tank, even a replica, involves navigating various regulations and ensuring compliance with local laws. Additionally, storage and maintenance are significant considerations, given the size and complexity of these vehicles. The resurgence of the Panzer III in 2025 highlights a growing interest in preserving and experiencing historical military vehicles. Whether through full-scale replicas, scale models, or digital recreations, enthusiasts have multiple avenues to explore and appreciate this iconic tank. As always, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and consult with experts when considering such acquisitions. Engaging with reputable dealers and institutions ensures that your investment is both authentic and compliant with all necessary regulations. In conclusion, the return of the Panzer III offers a unique opportunity for history enthusiasts and collectors to connect with a pivotal piece of military history. Whether through ownership or observation, the legacy of the Panzer III continues to captivate and educate, bridging the past and present in a tangible way. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the Panzer III's return. Stay tuned to Car Updater for more insights into the latest developments in automotive and military history.